Hi guys, welcome to Foodie's Crazy Code. Before getting into the preparation, let me remind you to subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed and click on the bell button. Today we are going to try mug cake. Okay, for that I've taken Oreo biscuits and I have taken little sugar and I have a dairy milk chocolate and I've Hershey's syrup. Okay, this you get it even in a 10 rupees packet or even the bottle you get it in the market, whichever you prefer you can buy. Okay, and I'm going to try a mug cake, a lava mug cake this is going to be. So we'll start the procedure. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind the Oreo biscuits and take it. With the mixture, I'll show you what all to be added to the mixture. Okay. Now, just break it into small pieces and add it. One tablespoon of sugar. With this, adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, we'll grind this and take it first now. Now it has to be a little more, it has to get grinded. So with this, I'm going to add 1 spoon of Madia. Just grind this and take it. See, it's finely grinded now. Just shift this to a bowl. Now to this, I'm going to add little milk. To this, I'm going to add little milk and mix the texture. The texture without the lumps. Now the mixture is ready. Okay, see, it's ready. Already coated with butter and kept it ready. So now we'll add the cake mixture. Now to this I'm going to add chocolates. With the chocolate I'm going to add a little bit of Hershey's syrup. On top of this, just leave the remaining. I've added the thing and now I'm just sprinkling little sugar on top of it. And now we'll place it for the baking. I've kept a kadai and I've added little salt. And I'll place a stand on it and I'm going to bake this and take it. If you want to bake it even in the oven, you can do it for 180 degrees Celsius for just for 5 minutes. Now friends, see, it is ready. See how yummy it looks. It's cooked so well and it looks so yummy. See, it's cooked. Now I'm just sprinkling the Hershey's syrup. Just coat it on top, and I'm going to just sprinkle a little sugar on top.